Your patient's just been diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. You look back in the chart and your heart sinks. You see an earlier test result that was missed, one that would have led to an earlier diagnosis. You stand there and ask yourself, how did this happen? Hi, I'm Dr. Stephen Belmar, Senior Physician Advisor in Practice Improvement at the CMPA. I provide patient safety and risk management education to CMPA members across the country. And over the years, my colleagues and I have heard similar tragic stories. The good news is, we're here to help. We reviewed CMPA data over a 5-year period and found more than 500 medical legal cases containing one or more breakdowns in the follow-up of critical diagnostic test results. 87% of those cases resulted in an unfavorable medical legal outcome for the physician involved. And unfortunately, in over 33% of these cases, the patient suffered serious, permanent injury, including death, which may have been linked, in whole or in part, to a failure in following up on a critical test result. We understand that managing test results can be challenging, and in response to your concerns, our team designed a workshop specifically for physicians who are looking to build a reliable follow-up system for test results in their practice. At the end of this 3-hour interactive workshop, you'll be able to describe your responsibilities for following up on test results, identify potential system failures in your practice, and plan a safer system for managing your test results. This workshop can help you improve your current system for tracking and following up with your patients, so critical test results won't slip through the cracks. If this workshop is for you, visit our website and register today. I look forward to seeing you in one of our workshops, and I appreciate your efforts to make safe medical care a priority in your practice.